I realize I gotta hate myself. That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself.
Hi lovely beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Izzy with another tutorial. We're gonna be doing a Logan Nicole inspired look today. I already did my brows before this video, but if you want to check out the tutorial, check out the video before this one, or the link will be in the description. But after I set my eyebrows, I go straight in with concealer on my lids, and I'm gonna set that. And now I'm going to use my calamine lotion, put it on my nose and my T-zone area, any area that gets really oily. Then I'm going to set my eyes again. Okay, after I set my eyes, I'm going to go in with my Warrior 2 palette by Miss Juvia's Place. You guys know I love this brand. I use this for every freaking thing, every freaking look in the book. And we're going to use that Yoded shade, that Yoded brown shade as my transition shade. And I like to go in that triangle structure when I do my eyebrows. Not my eyebrows, my eyeshadow. What am I talking about? I like to use like this triangle kind of like pattern. You can see me doing that. Like I start with my inner corners and then work my way around, and I'm going in with a bronzer shade from my Morphe 8D Glam palette to darken that up. And this is how it looks up close. Going back in with that Warrior 2 palette, we're going to use both of these two light shades to create a cut crease effect. And I'm going to put that somewhat brown, somewhat light shade first, and I'm going to blend it in with a fluffy brush. And this is how it should look after everything is blended out. Yeah, looking pretty. Okay, now we're gonna go in with that light shade in my inner corners. We're gonna wake up my eyes. Okay, this is gonna give me that super cute, super like princessy, she just got up, she got sparkles in her eyes kind of look, just to waken up the eye. For foundation, I'm gonna use Makeup by Mario, and this foundation, y'all, I love it with all my heart. I don't know why people don't like this foundation, but it's so luminous on the skin. Like, I like that feeling and that texture between dewy and somewhat matte, and it doesn't make me look overly cool. Like, this has some red undertones to it, so it really blends into my face the way I really needed to, and it sits very nice, sets nice, and babes, I be looking so... I just look pretty when I have this on. I love it. It's my go-to foundation for every look that I do. And this is how it looks blended out, looking very demure. Yeah. All right, for concealer, I'm going to use my Born This Way concealer in the shade Sable. I'm going to use this to contour, kind of like bronze my skin a little bit, but really to bronze because I can't contour for nothing. For blush, I'm using Juvia's Place Marigold the liquid blush. This is my favorite blush. I use this blush for every look, y'all. This is my go-to blush, baby. She's my favorite. She's queen. Gonna blend that really high, closer to my eyelids, because that's how Logan has it. I could just tell by the picture that I'm using for reference. I'm gonna blend out my bronzer slash concealer contour. Yeah, gonna blend that out. I feel like I put too much because the way that was blended was not giving what it was supposed to give, child. But either way, just keep going. For my highlight, I'm going to use same brand, just different color. I'm going to use Mocha. I use two shades. I use sometimes Honey, but I transitioned to Mocha only because I realized Honey makes me look a little ashy sometimes. So this has more of like a cute neutral yellow tone that is really true to my skin. So I'm using Mocha, but I'm gonna go back to Honey real quick because it's not bright enough. Now I'm gonna go with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. You can never go back. Well, never go back, girl. You can never go wrong. Sorry. With the basics, okay, we gotta be very humble beginnings. I love my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm gonna use Beautiful Bronze to snatch my nose. Now I'm blending out that concealer, blending it, keep blending until you get that flawless finish that pretty much looks right. Just keep blending, babes. Yeah, I absolutely love putting blush on my chin. It just snatches your face. Like, if you want that natural chin filler kind of look, put some blush on your chin. It's gonna make a difference, I promise you. I learned this trick on my own. Nobody taught me this, but I just be putting blush on my chin because it really gives my face structure, and you see some like definedness going on. Alright, so we blended on the forehead, blending that girl out. She's giving very much not blending, but I'm gonna keep trying. You can see I'm trying my hardest to keep blending because I don't know what it is, but for some reason when I put makeup on my forehead, it's really a hit or miss. Whatever. Going in with my setting powder, the Peach Perfect setting powder by Too Faced. As you can see, your girl is very much Too Faced fan. Yeah. I'm setting my face. Wherever I put that highlight, I'm setting it. I love this powder with all my heart. I want to try other powders on the market, but I'm too clingy. Like, I just love my Too Faced. Sorry. Now I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. Babes, this is going to change the texture game. If you have flawless skin and you want that extra filtered look, put that loose setting powder where you put your highlight. Like, do you see flawless? Where filtered, okay? Same palette, 8D Glam palette, Morphe, and I'm just going over my bronzer with that bronzer shade, just setting it, blending everything together, making sure we look good. Same place, applying it to the chin. Wherever I put that blush and I mix that highlight, I blend everything together to make sure everything looks seamless. And see, seamless queen. I can't even pronounce words right. I'm too excited. All right, for highlight, I'm using my, what is that brand called? Oh, Maybelline. Yeah. It was an old highlight from like back in the days when 2016 was given glazed donut. Yeah. I don't remember the name, but child, my makeup Anyway, my makeup bag is too far for me to go look for that right now. Girl, we at work. Y'all better appreciate the hard work I'm doing right now. Contour my nose with the bronzer. Yeah. My light died, y'all. Can y'all believe this? You can see it on my face. Not impressed. Blending out my highlight on my lips. This is like what makes my lips pop out. This is my favorite part. I love highlighting my lips. Setting my face with that peach powder again. We gotta snatch the face, y'all. We gotta make sure everything looks neat and clean. Can't be looking muddy. And we gotta set our foundation because we don't want her running off our face. She has to be on throughout the entire day and night. Okay, apply setting powder to your freaking face. Then I guess you can set it with foundation or that MAC powder. Still haven't tried that. I gotta get it though. So I'm blending everything out. My setting powder is on everywhere. My face is set. Now I'm going in with my Inglot eyeliner, gel eyeliner. It's the white one. And we're going to put that in my waterline. I hear people like Inglot. I do. I love it for the pigment, but that thing dries, baby. Like, I don't know if it's the way I'm applying it, but yeah, it's sometimes uncomfortable for me. But I do wear it because I know the quality is up there. Like, it's very intense, especially the pigment. So I love that I have to keep wearing, like, I just like that I like to wear it because it does make my face look nice. Going in with that bronzer palette once more, and I'm putting that bronzer shade under my eye to bring some definition to that white eyeliner because I feel like the white eyeliner washes out my eyes. So I'm just putting that bronzer there to bring it back, like bring back some je ne sais quoi to my eyes, you know. And for reference, Logan has that look going on as well under her eyes. Lip liner by MAC, shade Chestnut. We applying that. Lipstick is by Morphe, the shade Virgin. Y'all, this is nude. A perfect nude you need in your life. Okay, get you that Virgin shade. This is what all the MUAs is using on their clients. Okay, if you want that Instagram baddie look of the 2020s right now, get you some of this freaking lipstick. It's so good. And I don't know what it is with that Morphe lipstick, but that thing lasts through everything. Kissing, food. I wore this one time to eat out with my friends, and I couldn't believe it was still on my lips, y'all. Favorite early 2000s lip gloss, y'all gotta get some Turkish Delight. This is a perfect combo. I've noticed Logan also does this combo. I didn't even know she had it until I was watching one of her tutorials, and she did this exact combo on her lips, and I was like, girl, I have everything. This is why I had to do this look, because I'm like, yeah, I was too excited to have the same combo as her. So I was like, yeah, we definitely doing that in a tutorial. But you can see my lips look very juicy. So we apply mascara to the bottom lashes, yeah. And this is the Telescopic by, is it L'Oreal? Yeah. So I'm applying some brightening powder. This is the RCMA translucent powder, very 2016 of me. I'm applying that, and I'm brightening my face a little bit because, yeah, she needed some brightening. Then I'm applying my highlight on my nose bridge. Well, not really the nose bridge, but like that little Okay, you know what area that is. Don't know what that part is called though. But I'm applying highlighter to the tip of my nose and my forehead. This is what's gonna give me that sun-kissed, girl, you definitely went out for a run. It gives 2016, but yeah, this is the completed look. This is how everything came together. This is my face. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I worked so hard to get it like this for you guys. I appreciate it. Thank you. Please leave your comments and your thoughts and opinions in the comment section. Y'all know what to do. And please subscribe, babes. I need it. Your girl is struggling. But yeah, please let me know what you guys think of this tutorial. I enjoyed it just as much as you did. Shout outs to me. Yeah, tune in next time. And yeah, girl, subscribe. Yeah, follow me on socials. Yeah, mwah.